Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to turn on or off volume key shortcut on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, here in your itel S15 mobile phone, you'll have to do is go to settings. In settings, scroll down and go to system. Here in system, scroll down again and go to accessibility. Here in accessibility, you can see the volume key shortcut. And the volume key shortcut is off. And okay guys, to turn on this, you'll have to do is tap this. And here you can see the use service, and on the right side of this you can see the switch button. And okay guys, to turn on the volume key shortcut, you'll have to do is switch on the switch button on the right side. And after you turn on, okay, now you can set the shortcut service. Okay, the shortcut service is set into color inversion. And to change the shortcut service, you'll have to do is tap this. And you can see the option. Now you can select from this option. So you can select into color inversion, color correction, Xshare, farm store, auto install. So okay guys, I select the color inversion for this shortcut service. So okay guys, go back, and the shortcut service is set into color inversion. And okay guys, also you can allow from lock screen by turning on the switch button on the right side of this allow from lock screen. And okay, so when the shortcut is on, you can press both volume key for 3 seconds to start an accessibility features. Okay guys, we can try it. Okay, press the volume key for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3, and that's it. Okay, the color inversion for this volume key shortcut is enabled. And okay guys, so we can press again to turn off the color inversion from shortcut service by pressing for 3 seconds the volume key. And that's it. Okay, we have successfully turned on the volume key shortcut. And okay guys, to turn off again, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side of this use service to turn off the volume key shortcut on your itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, that's it. We have successfully turned on or off volume key shortcut on itel S15 mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.